Before we initialize the control unit of the Distronic Plus, we exchange the old unit with a new one. To do this, first remove the radiator grille. Remove the air ducts on the left and right. In addition, the air duct of the cold air intake casing. Also unclip the hood release. In order to loosen the cold air intake casing, turn the clip. Then, on both sides, unclip the catch hooks. The screw in the front center connects the radiator grille to the body. Undo this. Then take off the radiator grille. To do this, unclip the two upper catch tabs. The lining is also fastened to the bumper with catch tabs. Undo these too. Now for the Distronic Plus control unit. After separating the plug connector, unscrew the 4 nuts. The installation takes place in reverse order. Now the control unit must be initialized with star diagnosis. And there is something new. You no longer have to adjust the sensor manually. Just drive the vehicle around in normal traffic for a few kilometers. The sensor adjusts itself automatically.